Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 18th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the pound dollar, definitely nothing has changed for me in my higher time frame analysis. I'm definitely still very bullish. I still think we either go into the 138 or the 123 for a running flat wave C, or we're going to go to the 178, 161.8 for an expanding wave C. Either scenario not really too important in my eyes to know the difference yet, because either way should lead to a big uptrend on shorter time frames. Heading down to the weekly time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this 5 waves up as a wave 1 of 3. I still think this is a WXY, most likely a 2 of 3, and I still think on these high time frames like the weekly it is going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows, all part of a big old wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last push up, the last series of higher highs, higher lows. This little blue box right here is going to tell me that the trend is definitely down back on the daily time frame. As of right now, the trend is actually still up. I mean, this actually could reject structure and just keep on trending up, being all part of a big old wave 3. Now, if it does break below structure and hold below structure, then potentially I would start looking for shorts on shorter time frames. But as of right now, because of the higher time frames, my roadmap time frames, I'm definitely still looking for longs on shorter time frames. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame, I actually think this could be a big old ABC correction. I think this right here could be an A. This could be 1, 2, 3 waves up for a B. I think this could be a downtrend for a wave C. If we do get a break of structure or a higher low and a nice impulsive move up, then I would definitely take it as the possible end of a correction, and I would definitely go long, and then we could learn and earn at the same time whether it is the continuation of the uptrend or whether it's actually going to stretch out into a bigger correction to the downside. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame, we definitely do have a little bit of a break of structure right here. And this move up to me does look like a trend. Now, there is always a possibility that this right here is the ABC and that this is actually already back into the downtrend. So I definitely do think we should primarily, if we do trade on the 1 hour time frame and below, be looking for shorts. I personally don't trade on the 1 hour time frame and below, so I'm definitely still looking for longs based on my higher roadmap time frames, which is the daily time frame and up for me. I personally am looking at this move down as possibly being a correction. I'm definitely looking at these Fibonacci retracement levels to see if it does react. If it does make 3 waves down and impulsive up at a fib level, I would definitely take it as a long for the continuation of the uptrend. On the other hand, if it doesn't do that and it just keeps on bouncing and making lower lows, lower highs, I would just keep on looking for shorts. Like I said, if you are trading the 1 hour time frame and below, you should be looking for shorts. If you're trading the 1 hour time frame and above, you should probably patiently be either looking for a break of structure to the upside or Fibonacci bounce to go long for the continuation of hopefully that big wave 3 uptrend on the daily, weekly, and monthly time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my daily live Zoom meetings and access to my swing trade setups. As always, thank you and happy trading.